Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. This is Katrina. This basket is what I call my ModPodge basket. Why? Because it has some of everything in it. First I took my Cricut and I found a picture of a dinosaur online, downloaded it and printed it off through Cricut Design Space and cut it out. And then I applied it to the bucket. I then stuck in some Spider-Man, activity set and coloring book, along with a set of Hot Wheel cars and the Mickey Mouse jump rope. On the side here I've placed some bubbles, as well as a puzzle from Superman down in there. We have our green skip bow that lights up when kids play with it, and I put some Play-Doh in here as well. Then we have our dark web comic book here up in the front. And of course I've placed all our snacks in here. There's also a Frisbee in this basket. So I termed this as the ModPodge basket because I did put some of everything in here, including airheads in the snacks, as well as the Cheez-Its, the pretzels, and some candy Starbursts. I also have a push pop in there, and I put the gumball machine in here as well. Underneath the gumball machine there was the sidewalk chalk. So this basket is loaded with everything a child would want to play with, in my opinion. And I think that this basket turned out great, and it truly is a ModPodge basket that a kid will love. Please tell me what you think in the comments. My 11-year-old wants this basket for himself. I just might give it to him. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Be blessed and be a blessing.